Captain Underpants and the corrupt, clueless Sneezer by Josh B and Hal Watchins. One day, Captain Underpants was at a pizza place called Big Rome Pizza, and he went to the bathroom to wash his hands. Suddenly, he locked his picture of his dad, suddenly fell in the toilet. Dad! So Captain Underpants dived in to save him. What he didn't know was that in the time toilet, and he got transported to ancient Rome. Dad, stay where you are, I'll find you. Captain Underpants flew around Rome searching for his locket everywhere. Just then, Emperor Julius Caesar rode on by one of these coaches on sticks and saw Captain Underpants. You're Jack, you're my best new gladiator. But Captain Underpants didn't want to be a gladiator. I'm a napper, not a fighter. That made Caesar so mad, he fell off his couch and into a cauldron of 5 alarm Roman chili some alligators were making. The chili was so spicy it turned Julius Caesar into the nose monster Cruelius Sleazer. No one says no to the nose club. Sneezer fired an actual snort rocket at Captain Underpants. Captain Underpants punched the rocket into space. Plank. Then he shoved all the undies he had in Sneezer's snorts. The undies plugged up Sneezer's big nose big time. So they ate peace and ate the 5 alarm Roman chili. Then Captain Underpants found his locket in the bowl and he wept because he loved his dad. But also the chili was spicy. My locket, I'm so happy I could cry. No, wait, that's just too spicy. And then Captain Underpants asked the Romans how to get home. Do you guys know where I can find the toilet? What's a toilet? Oh no, the end.